students, we are going to start a new lesson. It's a poem, a plea for India. A plea for India. What do you mean by plea? Plea means an appeal, a request for the people of India. Okay. We Indians are proud to be a strong nation. Are you proud of your country, your nation? Yes, everybody. If you love this, if you live in this nation, you have to love this nation. So our roots, we declare, cannot be shaken. What is the roots here? Because the unit name itself is what? There is diversity. Okay, the nation and the diversity. In spite of the fact that there are different religions, different culture, different traditions, we are all one, born to the same mother. We are all the children of Bharat Mata. So in that way, we have a common root. Okay, and then why these fights? The people are fighting in the name of caste sometimes. Very oftenly people are fighting in the name of religions, Hindus, Christians, Muslims, or such kind of all religious groups are fighting sometimes, which leave us in poor plight. So plight means, what is the meaning? A difficult or a sad situation. Why we should fight each other? And irrespective of our religion, irrespective of our region, forget the caste, forget the religion, and forget the region from where you are coming, which makes us our charm. So whether it is North India or South India, or Tamil or Kerala or Telangana or North India, Bihar or Jharkhand, doesn't matter. We are all, after all, Indians. Then why do you fight each other? Okay, and let us ignore the selfish call of each region. Some members will say, I am so and so state, I am from this place, I am from that place. So that will regionalism. So the nationalism is more important than the regionalism. The nation is more important than your regions. And listen for once to the call of the nation. We are all struggling, we are all fighting each other in the name of different languages even. The states and states are fighting. The people of the different states are fighting. After all, we don't forget that we are all Indians. And therefore, please listen to the call of the nation. What is the call of the nation? The necessity to stand together. If you are split, if you are not united here, what is the problem? The other country, the neighboring country like Pakistan and all will take advantage. Why do we spend our time bickering, blaming? Bickering means what? Arguing about things that are not important in our life. So what are maybe the fights will be like this: your God is better than my God, or my God is better than your God. What is all stupid things? Every God is important. Every trust is important. Every belief is important. Everyone's trust, everyone's faith is important. No gods or no religion is bad. All religions are good. That concept is important. So don't we have better things to do than fighting each other? There are so many other creative things that you can do for the nation, whereas people of India are fighting in the name of regions and religions or the caste even, and that will create more problems. New problems would be created. Is all this violence needed with the people being cheated? And who will return his only son whom she loves a ton? So while you have seen some time back in Delhi and all, big fights were there. So a boy is dead or a man is dead. The man or the boy would be either the son of somebody, maybe the husband of someone, maybe the father of someone. Okay, who will return his life back? When the religions or such kind of fights happens, somebody will lose the life. Who can bring the life back? Who will return the son to that father? Who will return the brother to that sister? You understand the point? So, what is the need to fight each other? So, who will bring back his brother? Suppose somebody has lost his brother. Is it possible any political parties or any religious leaders to bring the brother of that person? So, it's not possible. Whose ashes he is still to gather. So where all has this love gone? There was a time people used to live in harmony, unity, love. Now all these things are missing. Social media and all, if you look at, you can find people are fighting, they are spreading the religious hatredness, they are hating one religion or the other religion. So how can the people hate each other? They should not think that we are all after all Indians. If that feeling comes, then what is the necessity? We are all Indians, means we are fraternity. We belong to the same nation. How can we fight each other? Okay. So which resided in the hearts of all. The love was the basic concept, Ashra Samskaram, we call it. So India has got its own traditions, culture. It doesn't teach the people to fight each other. It doesn't teach to kill each other. Then from where it came, such kind of hatredness among the minds of in the minds of the people. Okay, so there is no reason to be proud and be on the high cloud, and we have to go long away. Still, our country has to improve a lot. Our nation has to move along in front of other countries, other nations. Our nation should stand first. If our nation should stand first in terms of science, technology, and other all aspects. If these fights are going on, how is it possible for us to develop our nation? So we have to go long away. We have to think seriously. What we have to think seriously? Is it necessary to fight each other? For simple and silly reasons, people start fights. My religion is better than your religion. Who can say like that? Every religion is equal, because Indian Constitution itself says that you have got the freedom to believe in any religion what they like it. So else we end up miserably. Fights each other. Fights occasionally, very often happens in the name of caste or religion or in the name of regions. People ultimately forget that they are all Indians. If that feeling, if that nationalism develops in the mind of the people that we are all Indians, then these fights won't come up again. So then let our mind throw out the rod and devote our time to pious thoughts. These all ugly thoughts you have to remove from our mind, and you have to create new thoughts, pious thoughts that would have the compassion to the fellow human beings. Then only our nation can develop. Let us control the rewards. Let us which leave us with no choice, but hang our heads in shame. If we are fighting each other, we have to bend our head in shame, because we are killing the other persons. But just imagine, as we told earlier, somebody's brother, somebody's father, we are killing. Should not remember that they too are Indians. So when you think in terms of national integration, when you think that we are all the sons of we are all the children of the same mother. The mother is here, Bharat Mata. If you consider, then there is no meaning in killing each other. So we have the power to win. So if we are united and stand together, we have the power to win. So why not end this din? Why to fight and why to stop it? Let us unite. The poet says, let us unite and let us fight against those who incite. So here there are some people who take advantage, political advantage sometimes. They are injecting, they are creating poison, they are throwing poison, the seeds of poison in the minds of the people to fight each other. They are the most dangerous criminals, who makes the people to fight in the name of religion, who fights, because some people are making the people to create troubles. Their children will not happen anything. They are making the followers to do these fights. If you stand together, my dear children, if you stand together, our nation will develop. There should be no separation between any religion. All religions must be respected. According to their belief, all gods according to their belief should be respected. No negligence to any religion. No negligence to any regions. Languages also should not be a difference. Okay. So by those, let us not be misled by some people. Some people are misleading, and because those who want to see us dead. Somebody wants to see us dead. Now we are a strong nation united. We are a strong nation united. If you are standing together, our nation will be a strong nation. So all we need is a bit of dedication. Dedication means what? We have to dedicate. Sometimes what? Dedication to the nation. Must be ready to sacrifice even our lives for the nation. That's what the nation, mother nation, expect from you to do. Because so many soldiers, so many people have dedicated their lives for the our well-being. Okay, so let us live in peace and harmony. So learn how to respect each other, everyone, because we are taking a pledge in the school. What is that? India is my all in my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. And then what is that? To fight each other. Don't fight. Live together. Be happy. Love the nation. Respect your nation. Respect each other. Thank you.